Pero sa disco.
Good morning, dear students, faculty, and guests. It is with great joy and purpose that I stand before you today as we celebrate Nutrition Month here at Florentino Galang Senior National High School. This yearly celebration reminds us of a simple yet powerful truth. What we eat and how we live determines how far we'll go in life. Every fruit you eat, every glass of water you drink, every hour of sleep you get, and every step you take to move your body is an investment of your future. Proper nutrition is not just about avoiding junk food. Sino ka pala kaon diri junk food? Ha? It's about making daily choices that honor the body God has given you. As students, I know your lives are filled with challenges, exams, projects, even personal struggles. Take note, students, poverty is not a hindrance to success. But let me tell you something. A healthy lifestyle gives you the strength to face all of them head on. Eating right, staying active, getting enough sleep, and taking care of your mental health, these are not just habits. They are weapons of success. You want to reach your dreams? Start by taking care of your health. I encourage you today, make breakfast a priority. Choose water over soda. Choose vegetables over chips. Play outside instead. Stay glued to your screen. Man. Sleep enough. Respect your body mind because you only get one. Remember, you are young and your potential is limitless. But your dreams only be possible if your body and mind are strong enough to carry them. Let this culmination not be an end, but a beginning. A fresh commitment to live smarter, eat better, and move more. Because when you nourish your body, you flourish in every area of life. Nutrition is not just a school topic. It's a life skill. It affects your energy, your mood, your focus, and even your confidence. When your body feels good, your mind works better. And when your mind is sharp, you can learn more, dream bigger, and achieve not forget, healthy habits are built little by little. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one small step. A fruit a day, a short morning walk, or choosing a full meal over instant snacks. These small steps, when done consistently, can lead to a big changes. And here's the good news. You are not alone in this journey. Look around you. Your classmates, teachers, family, and community are all here to support you. Encourage one another. Share healthy meals together. The family that stays together stays forever. Celebrate progress, not perfection. To the teachers and parents present today, thank you for being role models. Student, palakpakan natin ang aton mga nanay kag ang aton mga maestra. So the lifestyle choices we model, what we bring to our tables, and how we take care of ourselves, leave lasting impressions. The young minds want and healthier, because proper nutrition isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. Let's be the generation that lives with purpose, it's with intention, and moves with joy. Mabuhay ang mga batang malusog. Mabuhay ang Florentino Galang Senior National High School. God bless everyone, and thank you so much for welcoming me here. Thank you again.
Thank you so much. Certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Helen Q. Ibanez as guest speaker during the Nutrition Month celebration at Tolentino Galang Senior National High School. Given this 25th day of July 2025 at Florentino Galang Senior National High School, Urinao, Cabancaran City, Negros Occidental. Signed, TLE Junior High School Coordinator, Razel S. Boss, TLE Senior High School Coordinator, Maria Juji P. Besas, and of course, our school principal, Jonathan M. Hirange. Palakpak! Walang ulian!
1, 2, 3. Grade 8 ako. Hindi kami ma-taste karon kaya wala sa miss ko. Ay, bahay.
ini ang mga masustansya ka mga preska nga mga pinalabutan sa aton sa aton yung mga ulumahon. Ini ginasimbolo sa aton ng mga lugma o aton ng mga IP group. Ini nga mga masustansya abot ng mga ulutanon, ano ini ang mga ginatanom sa mga IP sa kabukidon. Amo ini ang mga masustansya nga kinahanglan naton. Mas manamit pa din sa fried chicken. Mas manamit pa din sa mga junk foods na mga inyo kinakaon. Kung ako sa inyo, magkaon na kabusini para masustansya ang lahat. Nutrition sapat para sa lahat. At amogin na salamat!
Ang bong sa ikaba at baton ng malunggay sa tabi-tabi.